Traders, I just posted a screenshot of a trade idea looking for a counter trend trade, the US30. We'll come back to this and I'll get specific in terms of how to find an entry point up around in here and where to exit the trade. Before I do, what I want to do is go down to a 15-minute time frame and show you how you can navigate this trend and trade it successfully without any technical analysis. So what we'll do is we'll open up a 15-minute chart. We'll go over to this one here, top left, and I want to introduce you to our indicators. And we have a simple rule of thumb. I'll show you our trend continuation strategy on a 15-minute chart using the indicators. So the first thing you want to be looking for is the higher time frame to be trading in one direction. You can see here with our multi-time frame, higher time frame indicator, we're getting 5 out of 5 bars here are green, and this indicator here tells us that the 4-hour and the daily have a strong bullish bias. So we're going to be looking for this triangle, the swing, the retrace, entry long, stop below the previous swing low, 1 to 2 risk reward. Let's go back and have a look at some other signals. Green up triangle, find the swing low. Where the triangle is, look for a swing high. Pick up a Fibonacci, go from the swing low to the swing high. Look for the retrace down into the 61.8 fib zone. Trade in the direction of the trend. Stop loss in the cloud under the swing low. 1 to 2 risk reward. And I mean, you can always pull your stop loss up and trail it. As long as you see these indicators giving you a green light, we take this trade, and we're only looking for green signals when we have a green higher time frame indicator here. And you'll notice as well our candles complement the colors on the indicators. Obviously green is bullish, and I mean, here's another opportunity on this signal. Once we see this green bar appearing, we can look for our opportunity. Given that the majority of these bars are green, we're going to be looking for a buy. We've got a 30-day trial on offer at the moment with the indicators and with our VIP Telegram signals. So here's an invite to jump on board, go to tradingwithanthony.com and take up the 30-day offer and see what's possible. Let's go back now to our higher time frame daily chart. I'm looking for a counter trend trade given we have these pin bar candles. This is overextended. Here's our bullish accumulation range, Fibonacci, low to high, and I'm expecting this to pull back down into at least a 50% to retest these highs prior to any further upside. How to get involved with this? See how we have here this down triangle. What we need to wait for would be a second one of these. This first down triangle gives us a change in the character, chalk. The next down triangle would give us a break of market structure. So if you happen to have our indicators, look for this next triangle. You could set an alarm for this if you like, an alert I should say. Simple rules of engagement. We break out of this range, grab the fib, pull it from this high down to the low, enter on the 50 to 618 fib pullback or the retested fail of this low. To set this alert, go over to the trend channel, add alert, and it's going to be cloud break number 2, only once. So you only want this to fire at one time only, and go OK, create. That will appear over here in the alerts log. There's the alert. You can even have this set to go off on your phone. So that's, we want to nail some targets. Just go back out to the daily, target 1. Target 2, trade it with your stop loss, and I might be looking for a buy opportunity at around target 2 potentially, but that's another video. Okay guys, that's my take on the US30. Jump on board with the 30-day free trial, won't cost you anything for a month, and enjoy our trade signals and our indicators. With that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.